G'day and welcome to the channel. My name's Dave and this is...
Lillian.
That's Bolt. He wants to be a part of it too. Today we're going to be working on my old custom car, which I have hacked up, and I will put a link in the video description to show you it. Today we're just pulling the front panels off the car and giving Lillian a bit of a chance to learn how to work with tools. I hope you enjoy. Cheers.
Dipstick.
That's not very nice. I'm not that silly. Oops, I've grabbed the right ratchet. Alright, come around here. So, if you look down in here, it's not going to bite you. Just watch the sharp edges and you'll be fine. See how there's bolts sticking out? We need to go from inside and just loosen them off. There you go. Jump in. So you got to go from the inside. You need to get it square on there, so it's... See how it's hard up against there now?
Yeah.
That's what you want. Because if you start twisting it off, it'll chew out the head of the bolt. There you go. There you go.
Scary.
Drill?
Yes.
Oh, it just makes a big noise. It's not as dangerous as something like the grinder. It can bite you, but you just got to be careful. You alright?
Yes. God, that scared me.
It's just because this guard came off.
You're done already.
Well, I do a lot of this sort of stuff, baby. Alright, I'll show you something.
You want to go fast?
Yeah. Probably should give you the lid on. If you get it like that, because it's already loose, just watch what I'm doing with my hand. Fingers. Or first time you picked up second time you picked up a socket, a ratchet. Can't expect it all just to fall into place. Try this one, it might be a bit easier on you. If you can't get it from in there, you can go up from underneath, but you just got to watch out because there's sharp metal there. You're getting it. Just jump it over there. I'm just going to hold these two things so that you...
Sorry.
It's alright, we can dance.
Where are you? There. I'll let you do whatever you want.
Is that a little bit easier than the other ways?
No, my arm's still numb.
Get used to that.
Twist. Wait to stand up straight. My back is killing me.
Well, now you know why it takes Daddy so long to get these things done. Jump out the way from that. I'll get the end of it out just so that you're not killing yourself. That's how close you were. Right.
My back could not take any more.
For the next one, you need an extension bar. Because it's in a really strange spot. It is coming in from up here.
Yeah.
So there is a bolt right there that angles down this way. And you may actually have to get a different socket for that. So it's a deep socket. I might put the extension bar on that as well, just to make it a bit easier.
Okay.
So you can feel around until you find what you're looking for. Alright, so you jump in and do that. Daddy's got to hold the guard.
Lost it.
So do you know which way you're spinning it?
That way. No,
Okay.
other way.
That way. Okay. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. You're probably going to drop the nut in the washer, but that's okay, we'll get it out.
Caught it.
Nice. Very good work. Alrighty. So that just, they're just spaces. So see, that was what you were undoing right there. So it's just a stud that comes out of the guard to hold it on.
That took forever.
That's easy stuff.
Wasn't easy for me.
Alrighty.
Can't believe I was pushing it back up.
Nah, I would have stopped you if you were. So another important thing, put your tools back when you're done with them. Not that we're done yet, I'm just getting this set up for the next round. That's bigger than that. We'll get there one day. Actually, we might not even. Oh no, we will need them. Right, both of those are loose. Do you want to just twist them off for me?
Someone give me a tiaras.
Alright. So that's the front panels off. Shut up, Bolt!
Who are you barking at though?
It's barking at Andy.
It's not like I'm there.
Yeah, I know. He just wants to be a part of things.